Well, good evening, everybody. Today, I would like to talk about something that affects every part of our daily lives. It's about technology. Over the past few decades, advanced technology have completely changed the way we learn, communicate, and also so many things. That while there are many advantages, there are also some challenges which I will discuss during this talk. First thing is technology in education. One of the most significant impacts of technology has been in education. Online learning platforms, educational apps, and artificial intelligence have transformed the learning process. For example, students can now access lectures, tutorial, and interactive exercise from anywhere in the world. This is especially helpful for people who can't attend traditional schools due to distance or other commitments. Teachers also benefit from technology. They can use videos, presentations, and interactive tools to explain complex topics more effectively. For instance, a science teacher can show a virtual experiment instead of describing it in a textbook. And this is making lessons more engaging. However, there are some downsides. Technologies are distracting for students. Social media notification and irrelevant content can reduce productivity and focus. Despite this, I believe that as long as we use this technology, advanced technology in the right way, I think we will succeed. Second thing is that smartphones and their lives. I think everybody has their own smartphones to use. Well, smartphones have completely changed the way we communicate and interact with the world. Communication has become easier, faster, allowing people to connect instantly through messages, video calls, and social media apps. For example, apps like AI, like Instagram, Telegram, Google Maps, TikTok, they haven't only simplified navigation and communication, but also changed our social habits. In addition, smartphones have transformed shopping and entertainment. I think in this day it's really easy to us to browse products in online platforms, and we can shop online from anywhere in the world. At the same time, we can enjoy from our smartphones. Our smartphones become enjoyable for us, and we can play our favorite games, watch movies, and we depend on just small things just can get dopamine from there. Third thing is that artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is another exciting aspect of modern technology. AI is in many areas, such as healthcare, communication, work, and the workplace. For example, AI-powered tool can help doctors to diagnose diseases faster and accurately. Similarly, in education, AI can create personalized online learning platform for students based on their strengths and weaknesses. At work, AI can help employees by automating repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more creative and complex works. Complex works. ChatGPT, for example, is an AI that can help people in learning, solve problems, and even learn new language, practice language, which shows how useful AI in our daily life. However, AI also comes with risks. AI can reduce employment opportunities in certain industries and raise privacy concerns. But if we use responsibly, AI has enormous potential to improve our productivity, healthcare, and education. Finally, looking to the future, technologies promises more exciting changes. Self-driving cars, space exploration, and smart cities are become more realistic every year. Companies like Tesla are developing autonomous vehicles which can reduce accident and traffic congestion. Similarly, SpaceX is work on the rockets that may make space travel more affordable. Robots and AI assistants may help humans for everyday tasks. I think we all utilize this advanced technology in our daily routines. We can learn how to cook foods, delicious foods, or make some toys, build, and we can also learn new things from there. Of course, AI, but advanced technology will comes with risks. They can take many jobs in this world, and many of the people just afraid of this thing. But in reality, it isn't, because many scientists say that as long as AI took 50,000 jobs, it can give people to 100,000 jobs. That's why I think we should just calm down and don't afraid of any just goddamn things. And in conclusion, these all technologies have been created by human, and we are control these things. And I think we should use this advanced technology in this right way and get there from informations, get there, use this all knowledge about technology, artificial intelligence. We can create much exciting things than it. I think that's all.